They're all welcome and thank you for tuning in to my channel. I am Dr. Al-Zube, and you continuously receive questions from students and from friends and family about engineering and what is it actually, and what should people expect about in the job market, and in general what is engineering in the 21st century, and how people perceive this profession, and before if they are interested in going into engineering. So I wanted in this video to explain my understanding of engineering and what does it mean to be an engineer. So welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Dr. Al-Zube, and I create content and related to engineering in general and to biomedical engineering specifically, atop of a couple of topics as well. So for engineering, I want to start with this. So I have three actually pathways, or three definitions, or concepts that I see that they're related to engineering. The first one is that when you say that you want to be an engineer, we expect that you are an inventor. And in engineering, we teach or train our students and teach them actually in product design development. And that's the expectation, that you need to find solutions to clients who have needs. And there is a process to do this, and we expect from you to be that guy who is searching for technologies and new technologies, and that girl that's going to be creating different concepts to solve a specific problem. And other important thing about being inventor, so I like to put it this way: engineers are inventors. That's the first thing, the first pathway. You need to put in your mind that you need to file a patent as early as possible, and that is day one. Once you make your decision, or you are exploring to study if the engineering is the thing for you, that is the thing that you need to keep in mind. You need to file patents, and that's very important, and this is actually overlooked, but I want to emphasize that and make sure that engineers are inventors, and we expect from them to file patents, and that is their way of life actually. The second pathway for engineers is to work for a company. If you want to work for a company, so if you want to work for a company, companies expect from you to, especially in engineering, in all the fields of engineering, and particularly in biomedical engineering, they expect from you to be able to acquire data, store it, analyze the data. That's analytics. And they expect from you to do testing, to test, let's say, new materials, or test new products, or new components. So those are the things that if you want to work in a company, that's what we expect from you. Now, the facilities and that collect data, store data, analyze data, and also do testing on materials and products, they need to be managed, and we are looking for skillful people with a specific set of engineering skill set, depending if you are electrical, biomedical, mechanical, or civil engineering. So that's what people are looking for in an engineer. The third very important pathway or important concept for engineers is entrepreneurship. So in the 21st century, things changed from manufacturing to product design development, and we are encouraging engineers all around the world to start their own businesses, and to work together with a team, their friends, and the ideal situation, if you are studying and you have a group of friends that you like them and you want to be around them, and each one of them, they have a unique set of skills, you can start your own business, and voila, that's all what you need to do. Here's the catch. In entrepreneurship, your expectation day one, when you say, okay, I want to be an entrepreneur, I want to start my own business, and I want to build my team, that failure is the expected result actually at the beginning when you start with your enterprise. So failure is the first thing that you need to keep in your mind, and you're going to fail once, twice, multiple times. The key point in entrepreneurship and the key mentality in entrepreneurship is not that you want to be successful, it's just persistent and consistency. So you need to continue pushing forward and keep trying and different things, and they will fail, and you try other things and you adapt. So I think it's consistency, resilience, adaptation. Those are the skills that you need to have if you are thinking of building, starting your own business. Those are the things that I want every single engineer around the world to understand, and make sure that they have this engraved in their mind. So, one, you need to be an inventor, and the end result for this pathway is for you to file a patent, prepare a patent and file a patent, and then everything will be good. The second pathway is to work in a company to collect, store, analyze, and also test data, and then test components and devices and materials. And the third pathway that I see in the 21st century is actually entrepreneurship and starting your own business. Those are the three successful pathways and the three concepts and definitions that I can see for engineering in the 21st century. I hope that this video was helpful and answers some of your questions. If you like the video and you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I create videos about engineering and entrepreneurship, and I will continue creating also more videos about how to start your own business, how to be an inventor, and how to work in a company in the future. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit also the notification bells that you get my latest videos the moment they hit the tube. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave also my social accounts in the description of this video. So make sure that you follow me and check up the content that I create and disseminate. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye.